So I'm totally stuck in a freak rainstorm. It's been sunny and beautiful and hot all day. And I walked down to the river. And now there's this. So I'm in Pueblo. I'm in downtown Pueblo on the riverwalk. It's absolutely gorgeous. I've walked around downtown all day since about 9:30. I had to leave my friend's car at the mechanic to replace the power steering, and they had problems with it, so I couldn't go back and get it. I can't get an Uber back to Beulah, nor a Lyft, nor a taxi. So the mechanic is kind enough to offer to take me all the way back to Beulah, which is 30 to 45 minutes. And then this freak storm came. And the thunder and lightning is insane.